What's up guys, today I'm going to work on 2018 Honda Fit. I'm going to replace the transmission fluid. This car have 21,000 miles. I know it's a new car, but I want to replace before something happen. Some people they don't replace at all, but you need to replace it eventually. So every 20 miles I'm going to replace the oil, transmission oil. So here I'm going to use oil. So here it is, aftermarket. It's almost the same price, kind of, but it's better too. It's not that much expensive, this one. So we're going to do that. I'm going to fill this way, so I'm going to take this part over here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write your comment down below. Alright guys, so to fill this way, but there's one hole over there to take the bolts. You could do that, but you're not going to make it full. So we're going to take this air box. There's 1, 2, 10 millimeter. You can see. No, it's more. Yeah, 1 and 2. I don't know if there's inside. I'll open and see. And then there's Phillips down here. Take this one over here. But I don't know what tools for this one. If you don't want to use the Phillips, and take these pipes. Only one of the pipe. And then you take this one. It's not that much hard. This one, take it off. I need two hand, maybe in one hand. I'll do it later. And then one pipe over here, big pipe. I'll show you that one. And then if you want to take the tire, you could. I'm going to rotate the tire, so I did take it off. And then if you want to take this cover, you could, but you don't need to. But if you take it off, you're not going to do a mess. So this 2 pins, and then there's 10 millimeters under the car. Yeah, it's not that much hard. So first I'm going to start from here and then go under the car and drain it. Maybe I will drain now and take it off from here. Okay, so let us do that. Let me take this one on the side first. Not that much hard. Takes the pins. So use this kind of tool. Take this pin. Take these pins. Don't need to, but I don't want to make a mess, so I want to take it off. Now like the 10 millimeter. Do I need to take the 10 millimeter? Yeah. So the drain plug's down there. Alrighty, 10 millimeters off. I can take it off this thing, the whole thing. Now there's more space. If you can see down here, this one to drain it over here, and then to put, there's oil on this side to put it on. But I'm going to put it on the top one. So let me take this one off. I don't need to go under the car now because I have more space over here. Let us make it drain. Alright guys, you're going to use this tip to take it off. So I'll try not to make a mess. I need to wear a glove, otherwise if the oil touch me, put it all the way in, then make it loose. I don't need to go all the way under the car. Ooh, what happened? So I think it's loose. Okay, it's loose. So be careful. Will be flush this way coming. So let me make it ready. It's not the worst, but yeah, if you take it off this cover, you saw a little bit came over here and go back. So it's not dirty oil, but it's better to replace it. So over here, let's clean it, this one. There's a magnet down here. So I need to open up there and make it drain more. Alright guys, I'm going to take the 10 millimeters down here. There's 2. Down here. If you unplug one of the wires down here, it might help. Yep, it might help over here. Yep, it will help. Okay, there's one pipe I told you around down here. To unplug that one, so I'll plug over here. We're good. And then unplug over here, this wire over here, this one over here. To take this 10 millimeter. Only there's two. I can't see. Only two I can see. If there's more, I don't know. I don't think there's more. It's not that much hard. I don't think you need to take the whole thing, but if you want to take it out, you could, to make life easier. So I need to take this pipe off. Maybe I need to take another pipe. There are two gates there. I wish they didn't do it that way. Okay, there's a coolant line, this one. One of it's this, unplugged. Okay, off. Let me try to, there's one pipe. Need to just use screwdriver, longer screwdriver to push the pipe. Okay, it's out. Hopefully it'll come out. Okay, it's not that much hard. Take it off, you can see. Okay. Okay, now let me show you what I'm talking about down here. See this one? Going to take this one out like this. That's it. And then I'm going to fill it this way. Much more easier than down there on the side. There is a hole, but this one you're going to make it level. But if you take it, go this way. So let me close it under the car. Sorry, dripping. So almost off the whole thing. Here it is, almost done. Now I'm going to close it. Don't forget cutting this one. There's a magnet down here. Just dripping. My ratchet's too long, but if you use shorter one, you could now. You don't need to torque too much. Okay, we're good. All done on the side. Now, I put the oil. I don't have the longer funnel to put over here. Oh, maybe use this one. Maybe this kind of. If you have longer one, this one would be better. But I don't have one. Put it on like this. Hopefully I don't mess when I put. There's more space, so I can put one. Hopefully I don't do mess. I think if you turn this way, you don't do mess. I heard on TikTok, but there is space. We'll see. I did a little bit mess, but it's not the worst. Once done, two, put it like this. If you go this way, you're not going to mess. Alright guys, all done. I just put it back. I just cleaned by breaking it a bit over here, a little mess over there. Now I just put it back. It's not that much hard. Some cars they're hard. So I'll put it back this one. Okay, we're in. Just put this pipe first. In. Throttle. And then put some oil over here to make it much more easier. Yeah, if you put oil, it will make it much more easier sliding in. If you can see, I put oil, just getting inside much more smoothly. Put this pipe back. It's not comfortable to put this one though, one of the pipe. Okay, all in. Put the clips. It is maybe, I'll say 3 minutes job. If you are recording, it will be more. All in. Put the 10mm back. And don't forget to unplug this one over here. And then I need to replace the filter. If your car is dirty, the filter, replace it. Don't forget this one. Alrighty, all done. Only this one left. Okay. Alrighty guys, so all done. Only left the covers under the car and the side. Everything's in. Don't forget the stuff. Don't forget this one to put on. If this one doesn't get in, put oil on it and then push it in. It's easy. This pipe's easy to put on. To take it off, use longer screwdriver to push it in. Out over there, and then push this one in, and you take this one. It's not that much hard. There's only 2 10mm. If you want to take the side, there's 2 pins, and then there's one 10mm. It's not that much hard, I would say. If you're not recording, it'll take you, if you know where work, take you maybe an hour to do it. It's not that much hard. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, write your comment down below. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you in another video.